Hey guys, this is me, Brian, and
It's Camilla.
we're trying to play a prank on.
My brother, Gennaro.
And the way it's gonna work is we're gonna set a fire alarm in his room
And we're going to put blankets on.
on him, so it'll be hard for him to get up.
Yeah,
Plus,
and then he'll
I'm
hold
gonna be holding the door,
box.
and he doesn't know I'm here, so he's gonna be thinking that like somebody's here. But guess what? Nobody's gonna be here. So first off, Camilla's gonna start putting one blanket. No, not yet. So first off, Camilla's gonna start putting one blanket at a time,
Yep.
and
And then he's going to set the alarm.
after we finish putting
After
all
we-
the blankets.
Yeah. And then he's going to run into the room, get you guys, and then he's going to run in here into the floor, and then we're just going to be hanging out, acting like nothing happened.
Yeah. So Camilla, if you would like to begin, go and start. Get the first blanket. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta be quiet, guys. Be quiet. Go, go, go.
Camilla? Camilla. Help me up.